Hello children, today we are going to discuss a very interesting question which is from exercise 10.4. The chapter is practical geometry. Let us read the question. The question is very tricky, but if you understand the concept, what I have explained you before, two things you have to remember. The rough figure and check it with the congruence criteria. Then you will automatically know what is hidden in the question. This question is one of those kind. See, the question is construct a triangle PQR. If information is given, line segment PQ is 5 cm, measurement of angle PQR is 105, and measurement of angle QRP is 40 degrees. So let us see what is given. It is asked to construct a triangle PQR. So now we will see whatever information is given first. It is given PQ is 5 centimeters. So if I take the base of the triangle as PQ, this will become 5 centimeters. Okay. Then it is given measurement of PQR is 105 degrees. So measurement of PQR means the angle is formed at Q. So this is your 105 degrees. Okay. The next information is measurement of angle QRP is 40 degrees. So QRP means angle will be formed at R. So this is PQ and this is your R. This is 40 degrees. So two angles, see, two angles and one side is given. Can you construct the triangle now? No. We still cannot construct this triangle. Why? Two angles are given. But see, this side is not included within the two given angles. The congruence criteria for angle side angle is the two angles including the side of one triangle should be equal to the corresponding other triangle. So here we see that it do not obey. We are not comparing the two triangles. But while constructing also, we need to follow the congruence criteria. This is why we now see even though two angles are given and side is given, but side is not included between the two angles. So we cannot construct this triangle. Again, mathematics is just, filled with tricks and gaps. Okay, you can construct a triangle just because two angles are not including the side. That means this angle is given, and if we would have known this angle, so see, this side is given 5 centimeters, this angle is given, and if this angle was also known, in that case, see, angle, side, angle, then we could have constructed the triangle. So here, how can we do that? See, in this question, two angles are given, and what is this? Let me know. Now see the given figure, children. Two angles are already given. One angle is missing. And just because this angle is missing, we cannot construct the triangle. But in a given triangle, two angles are given. So here we can apply the angle sum property of a triangle, which says that the sum of three angles, let it be angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degrees. So you will do this rough work. You will write down the rough figure, you will write down AAS, then you will write down it violates. We see that the two angles do not include the side. Therefore, the angle cannot be constructed. I repeat, after writing AAS, you see it is not obeying the congruence criteria. So right now that we see that the two angles do not include the side between them. Therefore, the triangle cannot be constructed. But after that, you draw this figure. You know this one, it is 105. You know this value, it is 40. So you will apply angle sum property. So let the angle 1 only. Value of angle 2, take it as 105, and that is 40 is equals to 180. So x plus 145 is equals to 180. So the value of x on angle 1 is 180 minus 145. That means value of x and this will become 5 and this is 7 minus 3, 4, 3. So 35 degrees. What is the measurement of this angle we calculated now? We got it as 35 degrees. So again, below this, I am going to pause the video, copy the solution. Now after this, you will do the rough work again. This is all what we are doing is rough work. So now again draw the triangle. This is PQ is 5 centimeters, angle Q is 105, angle P what we got, that was angle 1 what we have taken. You can write down like this also, P plus Q plus R, that is angle P, angle Q, angle R. Angle P we do not know, plus angle Q is 105 plus angle R is 40 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So you can write down like this also, instead of labeling with angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, so you will get the value of angle P. Now, value of angle P we got it as 35. Now see, two angles and they are including the side. So by which congruence criteria now we can construct a triangle? We can construct by applying angle side angle congruence criteria. Understood? This is the rough work. What is the main work of this question? Two angles are given and one side is given. But side we see is not getting included between the two angles. But two angles are given. So in an angle sum triangle, we have this property of sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So the two known angles, you subtract with 180, you get the missing angle. Why we have done? Because it will solve our purpose of knowing this angle. Once we know this angle, now we can construct a triangle. So this you all know how to construct. Still, let us again find out the construction also. I will draw the rough figure here, and looking at the rough figure, then we will do the construction. P, Q, R. And once you construct children, you will see the third angle which is given as 40 degrees. When you measure, you will also see it will be 40 degrees only. So this is 35 and this is 105. Now let us start. Now to construct a triangle, first draw a line, label it as any alphabet. I'll take T, mark a point and label this as P. Take out your compass, place it over your scale and measure 5 cm radius on your compass. Taking P as center, cut an arc on line T. This point of intersection, you make it, label it as Q. So here you get 5 centimeters. Now, taking P as center, place your projector and you place it in such a way that here the straight line you have, 90 degree point, that should be, when you place it, should overlap with this point P. And from here, you measure 35 degrees. Okay? This will be your 35 degrees. Again, take out your projector. Now you place it at point Q. And again you take care that the straight line should be overlapping with this point. You have a projector like this. See, you have a projector like this. Yes. So this line, this point should be coincident with point marked here below. Now, taking this as center, you place a projector and now from this you measure 105 and you will measure 105. You will get the point of intersection. See, this will be your point R. And if you place a projector here on this line, you will get this angle as 40 degrees. So this is the construction. This is 105 and this is 40 degrees. So this is how we can construct a triangle with two given angles where the side is not included by taking out the third angle by applying angle sum property. Isn't it interesting? So tricky these questions are. But everything what is given in the question, some questions are in direct form, some questions are indirect. So when the questions are not in direct form, just don't say straight away, no, we can't construct the triangle. Apply some triangles property and it may help us in knowing the missing side. God bless you.